Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that Bitcoin struggled to break above 92,000 and actually sustain that price for the long term. But on the other end, Dogecoin is saying a different story, as in the past couple of hours, it has broken above the 38 cents resistance and showing signs that it will be breaking above 40 cents, which could completely change the idea and the inflow of cash into the whole crypto market due to Dogecoin could be the next leg up. If you pay attention to the trading volume, it has exceeded XRP and showing signs that maybe might be taking the 6th spot back very soon. There are some whales which are actually helping pump this even higher. $150 million worth of Dogecoin purchase in a single transaction. There is the Dogecoin parabolic rally, which if we just follow the historic pattern could be happening very soon, which could push up the price to couple of dollars. And MicroStrategy raises about $2 billion to acquire more Bitcoin, and Department of Government Efficiency faces a daunting task, and these tasks are going to be huge. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything relating to the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It just happens to bargain with them, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market and Dogecoin. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the price action. If I just go into the 1 hour chart, it will give you more perspective in terms of what Dogecoin just did. Now, a couple of hours ago, when I was paying attention to the price, you can see that finally Doge has broken out of this triangle, or you can just say this big barrier that it had formed. What's really interesting about this is since the 14th, which is about 5 days, it was in this action, and this is where all the fear was injected into the Dogecoin market as a lot of people decided to panic sell. Now, in a couple of hours, it was able to get back into this, little bit of a formation it has formed, but now it has finally broken on the upside. Why is this a big deal? Because if it's able to use 38 cents as a support, it will be able to break over 40 cents. And if we break over 40 cents, let me just tell you, there's not much resistance until we actually make it all the way to 55 cents, which actually happened in 2021. Keep in mind, yes, we were rejected close to 45 cents a couple of times, but this time around, because the market was able to consolidate close to 38 cents for so long, this time around, the optimism to actually break over 45 cents will push up the price even quicker, and there won't be much actually slowing it down. And seeing the open interest still going up by 3% when it's already sitting on 2.5 billion should say a long story. And the long to the short ratio, as you can see, the price is increasing, but it's not going in the favor of the sellers, because everyone, well, especially the people who are trying to push the market down, are in very fear and do not want to go against the Dogecoin price right now. And with the help with so many whales actually buying a large sum of Dogecoin, it's already a good impression. Now, this whale decided to purchase at the price of 41.2, which was about 7 days ago. But what's really interesting about this is even though the market had such a shift response and actually had a really strong pullback, this whale decided to sell nothing. They were so confident that the price will climb back to 41 cents and actually go even higher. That actually answers a lot of questions for you. If you have just invested a little bit of money and you're in a little bit of fear in terms of how Dogecoin is going to perform, this should give you perspective that a whale that purchased close to $140 million worth of Dogecoin is not worrying and thinking of actually selling. That already says a lot of things. And Dogecoin is about to go parabolic. Based on the historical pattern, a potential top might lie between $1.61 and $2.27 levels, translating to a price range of about $4 to $23. Now, these are some big numbers. Just to give you perspective, $24 for one Dogecoin would put the market cap to some crazy numbers, which is very unlikely to reach right now. If we look at just the patterns from before, yes, it looks like it might go very explosive, but if you want to be super optimistic, honestly, in my books, I would say close to $2 or $3 is probably going to be where I would actually slow the Dogecoin price down. MicroStrategy is raising a lot of money. Now they can say announced it would raise a private offering of convertible senior notes to 1.7 billion as they acquire 4.6 billion Bitcoin to holding on the same day. So they are definitely getting a lot of money, and a lot of people are showing interest in this specific idea where they want to buy more Bitcoin. And this is a very good sign because more people are going to be paying attention to crypto. And the fact that the ETF of crypto holds about 5% of the Bitcoin supply already says that there is a lot of people or a lot of financial hubs which are trying to get into crypto in a safer way. And Department of Government Efficiency, or Doge, faces a daunting task. They did mention that they have big promises. They want to do big things for the country, and the fact that they want to lay off some of the departments is already a big deal. But we will have to wait and see until Trump gets into the office, seeing how much power will be actually given to this task force. That's the right way to use it. And this is another whale. As you can see, they have purchased quite a significant amount again, which is close to $66 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 32.6 cents. And during the 2017 bull market, Bitcoin surged 150% past its previous all-time high before the first major correction of 39%. In 2020, 121%, then 32% decline. If the historically repeats, we will reach at least 138,000 before we experience the first major pullback. And Donald Trump's social media venture explores a buyout for another company. And if you guys do not know what this company is, well, let me just give you a little bit of perspective. This company is a crypto custody and trading company. So our boy Trump on the back end is definitely trying to make a little bit of money, and he knows that crypto is going to do well in the future. And another thing is, stop looking to the history to predict the future. The history is non-ETF, not with strong acceptance by financial institution, not broadly stored by countries, and not having the new incoming president of America. So I do agree with this statement as well, because it makes it a little bit harder to predict how it will react this time around. And Coinbase CEO is going to be meeting up with Trump to discuss the personal appointments. Wall Street Journal. Now, this is really interesting because CEO and our boy Trump is trying to get into something relating to crypto. It's a lot of things happening in the back end. With Doge, Elon Musk wants to bring his brutal manager-like style to the federal government, but he doesn't own it yet. Running the government like a corporation isn't a new idea. It also doesn't work. Now, what's really interesting is if Elon decides to work in the government like how he did with Twitter when he just acquired it, it would be a chaos. That's all I'm going to say. And whales jump on Dogecoin as the bull run is gearing up. And the way the bull run is gearing up, honestly, it still has so much potential left. And keep in mind, if Bitcoin is able to climb the way it's climbing, Doge will 5x the same amount of profit. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Be patient. We got a long way to go and a lot of profit to make. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.